This is how I make virtual joystick in Figma without coding. Create frame, then add a base, circular base, adding navigations like this, and then insert frames or rectangles and layout them according to their directions. Then adding one more as base in the middle and add the joysticks. I'm gonna lock here these three area here, and then from this copy paste it, and this will be the top. Also for this one, I'm gonna delete the group, and don't forget to delete the frame's color. And from this, I'm gonna make it to the top of the layers. Sorry, to the top of the joystick. Now we're gonna do this several times. This is top left, and then top right, top left, top right. Okay. Then these three, copy paste it here. And then, oops, for this one, put it in the middle. So this is right, top left, top right, left, bottom left. And one more where it's in the middle here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go to prototype and connect this one bottom right to bottom right and on drag. No, maybe while hovering you can use on drag. It's supposed to be on drag, but you know what, for the sake of this video I'm just simplify it while hovering. And then smart animate, let's say is in, you know what, I'm gonna make it gentle and 300 milliseconds and everything. Bottom right, down, moves here, and while hovering, smart animate, gentle 300. Okay, this one, the same. I should add these two into everything here. So something like that. Just copy paste it. Oh, wait. Before that, it's better if for this one, this group, delete the strokes, copy paste it, and everything will follow. Okay, so let's see now. Yes, it's better. So there you go. This is how I make virtual joystick in Figma without coding.